Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing in the crypto industry, where strategy meets innovation and content drives conversions. Let's walk you through a powerful step-by-step process to create engaging SEO-driven affiliate content that actually works. Choose your niche and affiliate program. Before you write a single word, pick a niche that aligns with your passion and market demand. Whether it's crypto trading and investing, DeFi and blockchain education, NFTs, staking, or mining, there's an audience waiting. Then choose a trusted affiliate program like PayBito Pro, Binance, Coinbase, Ledger, Crypto.com. Understand your target audience. Effective content starts with deep audience insights. Use tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, Crypto Twitter Analytics. Define your ideal customer, beginner or advanced trader. What are their goals and risk appetite? And don't forget to analyze your competitors' content and community engagement. Keyword research for SEO. Want to rank on Google? You need the right keywords. Use tools like Ahrefs, CoinGecko Trends, and Keyword Planner to find high-intent phrases like best crypto exchanges for beginners, top NFT marketplaces in 2025. Pro tip: understand the user's search intent. Are they looking to invest, trade, or learn? Choose the right content format. Crypto content isn't one size fits all. Choose formats that fit your audience. Blog posts for in-depth guides, YouTube tutorials for walkthroughs, Twitter threads, and TikTok explainers. Email newsletters packed with insights. Engage in live discussions on Telegram and Discord to drive traffic and trust. Write engaging content with strong CTAs. Write like you're having a conversation. Keep it simple, use real-life examples, and always include powerful CTAs like sign up on PayBito Pro and earn a BTC bonus. Trade on Binance, get rewards with our link. Highlight security and low fees to appeal to cautious traders. Optimize content for SEO. Make your content discoverable. Use keywords naturally. Optimize titles, meta tags, and headers. Add alt text to images. Link to helpful crypto sources and tools. And yes, make sure your content looks great on mobile. Design eye-catching visuals. Crypto users love visuals, so give them what they want. Use tools like Canva and TradingView to create price charts, infographics, promotional banners, GIFs, and animations for social media. Do remember to stick to brand themes for consistency and credibility. Publish and promote. Publishing is only half the game, promotion wins the battle. Post content on Twitter/X, LinkedIn, Telegram groups, Reddit, and Quora. And don't forget email marketing and PPC ads on CoinGecko or Facebook. Create free lead magnets like a crypto starter guide to grow your email list. Track and optimize. Track everything because data tells the truth. Use Google Analytics. Bitly for link clicks. Affiliate dashboards for conversion tracking. Double down on what works. A/B test different strategies. And always keep your content updated with the latest trends and regulations. Affiliate marketing in crypto isn't just about sharing links. It's about building trust, offering value, and continuously improving your strategy. Start creating today and turn your content into crypto profits.